It goes beyond to the entire psychology of memory, behaviors, how you learn, how you express yourself.
The psychology of creativity is basically a set of frameworks of how to think while working through the creative process.
When we talk about creativity, it's just about the easy way to solve a situation, to solve a problem.
Through lenses that are a little more logical and enable you to be able to do it to the best of your ability. Even though creativity is seen as something that's relatively intuitive, just as with everything in life, there is more to it than you're going to get from only your own experiences. And I think the psychology of creativity workshops really helped me reveal in myself how to be able to approach creativity in a way that's really fully sustainable for myself.
The way that you are relating towards your feeling, your emotion, your sensation.
For me, the most important was the whole idea of flow, and that it's and how stress and like challenges and like when you feel like your skills aren't enough or it's too much of a stressful situation, this, like all of that, it's not necessarily a bad thing. These are just markers to tell you how close or far away you are from flow. And by knowing where you are and like the distance you have then from flow, you can easily get there and then be able to create in a way that's more fluid and more fun and just better.